Hey there, fellow shoppers and Prime enthusiasts. If you're holding an Amazon Prime Visa card, you know the perks are amazing, like earning rewards on every purchase. But let's face it, paying the bill can sometimes feel like a hassle. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step, so you can handle it in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Chase website or open the Chase mobile app. Why Chase? Because they issue the Amazon Prime Visa card, so that's where all the magic happens. Once you're there, start by logging into your Chase account. Use your username and password that you set up when you got the card. If you haven't logged in before, don't panic. There might be a quick verification step, like entering a code sent to your phone. After you're in, navigate to the Accounts, or Credit Cards, section. Look for your Amazon Prime Visa card. It should be listed there with your current balance. Now, for the fun part, making the payment. Click on your card, and you'll see options to view your statement and pay your bill. Select Pay Bill, or something similar. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to pay, whether it's the full balance or just a minimum payment. Then, choose your payment method. You can use a bank account, debit card, or even another credit card if needed. Double-check the details to avoid any mistakes, and hit Submit to process the payment. Chase usually processes payments quickly, often within minutes, so your account should update right away. One quick tip. Set up autopay if you haven't already to avoid late fees and keep things stress-free. And remember, if you run into any issues, Chase has great customer support. Reach out via chat, phone, or their help center. There you have it. Paying your Amazon Prime Visa bill is straightforward once you know the steps. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tips on managing your finances and maximizing your rewards. See you in the next video.